vernacular, so always make me suspect. I'm concentrating my thoughts on higher goals. If you think about opposing me, I know that you're bold. In addition, I mentioned releasing my tension, my vibes I'll be facing to say out every bit of competition. So please adhere, I swear my voice is near and clear.
Money affiliated. Money affiliated. Money affiliated. Money affiliated. They say they coming for me. You better fire your straps quickly. I react sickly and blast fully max through your kidneys. It's strictly business, hustle slick. You can't knock it. We hit the block and let the chop spit full. We want our profit, nigga. Mix up and lock it and keep the wholesale prices logic. They trying to stop it. We strike hundreds, continue mob shit, and now we got the soul backwards.